Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a Christmas page. It's themed on ornaments because there's these photos of ornaments. So please subscribe below and you'll get notices when you go on YouTube that I've posted new videos. Alright, the paper that I'm using for this is from the Stardust Stack. This is DCWV. I love their paper. So I found this beautiful paper in there. It has a lovely corner. So I did do a different corner in Design Space for you. I don't expect people to have this paper, but there will be a Design Space link for this page, and I will once you use it, you'll see there's a new bracket there for the corners. All right, so I'm placing my photos like this on this page, and I am doing the ornament theme. So I found this beautiful ornament, flourishy ornament image in Design Space. I can't tell you where because they did an update, and with the update you can't find what the name of the cartridge is, and so they are going to fix it. So maybe by the time I post this page I'll be able to tell you. Okay, these are my mats. I have embossed them with this star. I just did the stars because of the paper seems to have stars. And all these are Christmas lights from the Detroit Zoo. That's why it's sort of combined zoo and Christmas together. So I might as well take these down. It was a wonderful exhibit at Christmas. You should encourage your own zoos to do that because it was a great long walk. A lovely evening. There. And I do have some other ornaments that I'm going to be using on this page, and I do know the cartridge that one of them comes from. It's Intricate Seasonal Art, because I've used it recently, I remembered. All right, there we go. Now, I'm doing these ornaments here. I thought I would do them all along the top. And this I'm going to hang right here from that picture. It's getting very glamorous, I'm thinking, with all this foil. I love it. And then I did another one of these and cut off so that I would just have the top of the flourish. And I did a bigger version of those ornaments that I'm just going to put right there. And that's going there. Then I also did a title, Detroit Zoo. Now, I'm sure you'll have to change the title for a Christmas theme title, a Merry Christmas or Lights or something like that. But I'm really liking the way this is looking. I am going to put foam lifters on some of these, not this one, but I will on this, and then this, and my title. And then this page, quite simple, just a whole string of ornaments across the top. It was lots of fun. I lined them with white so that they would show up more. And so I'm hoping you're liking this Christmas page. Thank you for watching.